Hello guys, this is a quick video on how to edit your Instagram bio, add spaces, and line breaks. First, open your Instagram application. Then from here, open your profile by tapping the photo icon located at the bottom right corner. And then choose here the edit profile. And as you can see, I have my information for my bio here. This is my profile. Keep following. To edit that, just stop this portion. And let's see if there are changes if we will put spaces and line breaks here. Then save by tapping the check icon. Then let's check in our profile. As you can see here, there is no spaces or changes. There's no changes happened in the Instagram bio. Okay, to do that, just go back to edit profile and let's copy this information. Okay, let's cut this. Then let's go to our browser. Then as you can see, I have the How to Apps website. It has an Instagram caption generator wherein it allows you to add spaces and line breaks. Let's see, let us paste here the copied information from our Instagram bio. Then let's add some spaces. Then copy by using this green button. Then go back to your Instagram bio. Paste it here. Then let's see if there are changes by saving this, tapping the check icon. Then let's check our profile. So you can see there are changes happened. There is spaces in our Instagram bio. Okay, that's it guys. I hope that this video helps you a lot.